Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi, guys. How are you today?
We hope you're doing well. Maybe you're listening while walking or cooking, or maybe hiding in your room because you don't want to answer a phone call.
Oh, that is me. When my phone rings and I don't know the number, I just look at it like, why? Why are you calling me?
Exactly. And today's topic is very real, very common, very scary for many English learners.
Yes, simple English for phone calls.
If you understand English but feel nervous speaking on the phone, this episode is for you.
Because on the phone, you cannot see the person's face.
Yes, no body language, no smile, no help.
Just your voice and your heart beating fast. Boom, boom, boom.
Let's be honest. Why are phone calls scary in English?
For me, it's because I can't say, sorry, can you repeat, again and again.
Yes, we feel shy to ask again.
And sometimes people speak so fast. Like, are they in a race?
Yes, and we think, oh no, I will make a mistake.
Or what if I don't understand?
Let me tell you something important. Even native speakers say sorry on the phone.
Really?
Yes, many times. Phone sound is not always clear.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Okay, let's imagine a simple situation. Your phone rings. It's your colleague from work.
Okay, I'm nervous already.
Don't worry, let's keep it simple. When you answer, you can say, hello? Or, hi, this is Alex. Or, hello, Alex speaking. That's it. Simple.
Oh, that's easy.
Yes, no need for big sentences.
What if I don't know the person?
Good question. You can say, hello? Then they speak first. If they say, hi, is this Alex? You say, yes, this is Alex. Very simple.
Oh, I always think too much. Like, I need to sound professional.
No, clear is better than perfect. Now let's talk about fear number 1, not understanding. If someone speaks fast, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower? These are normal sentences.
I didn't catch that. It sounds natural.
Yes, and don't feel bad saying it. Let's practice. I will speak fast. Ready? Hey, Alex, can you send the file today?
No. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Perfect. See? That's it. Now imagine you need to call a restaurant.
Oh, ordering food in English. Stress level 100.
Relax. Here's a simple structure. Hi, I'd like to order food for delivery. Or, hi, I'd like to make a reservation. Short, clear.
What if they ask questions?
They will, but simple questions. What would you like? What time? What's your address? You answer simply. 1 chicken sandwich, please. 7 p.m. My address is... That's it.
I think the real problem is we want to speak perfect English.
Yes, we want movie English.
But real life is simple.
Exactly. Real-life English is short. Let me tell a small story. When I first called a company in English, my hands were shaking.
Really? You?
Yes, I prepared a full script, like a robot. But when they answered, I forgot everything.
Oh, no.
So I just said, hi, I have a question. And guess what? It worked.
Simple wins.
Now, let's do a mini role play. You call a doctor's office.
Okay, I'll try.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to book an appointment.
Perfect. That's it. No big grammar, just clear words. Now, listeners, your turn. Imagine your friend calls and says, hey, can you come to my house tonight? What would you say? Pause this audio and answer. Maybe you say, "Sorry, I'm busy tonight." Or, "Sure, what time?" Simple.
I like this. It feels safe.
Another common situation, work phone call. If someone asks for your manager, you can say, "He's not available right now. Can I take a message?"
Oh, can I take a message? That sounds professional.
Yes, and if they give information, repeat it. Okay, let me repeat that. Repeating helps you and shows you are careful.
What about ending a phone call? That's also awkward.
Yes, we don't know when to hang up. Simple phrases. Okay, thank you for calling. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye. Pause, smile, end. Now let's talk mindset. Phone calls are not English exams, they're conversations.
Oh, that sentence is powerful.
Yes, you were not on stage. You were just talking to one person, one human, who also makes mistakes.
Sometimes I practice in my head, but when the phone rings, my brain stops.
That's normal. So here's a small trick. Before answering, take one deep breath. Inhale, exhale, then answer. Even 2 seconds can calm you.
Oh, I like that.
Now let's do more mini examples. Situation, delivery problem. You say, "Hi, I think there's a mistake with my order." Clear, polite.
Not angry?
No need. Calm voice is powerful. Situation, you missed a call. You call back and say, "Hi, I'm returning your call." That's it.
So simple.
Situation, bad connection. "I'm sorry, the line is breaking up. Can you hear me?" Very common sentences.
Oh, yes. Can you hear me? I use that a lot.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. "Sorry, could you repeat that?" "I'd like to make an appointment." "Can I take a message?" "Talk to you later." Good job.
I feel like we are in a safe English gym.
Yes, training your speaking muscles. Now, vocabulary time. Simple but useful words. Available, free. He's not available. Message, information for someone. Can I take a message? Appointment, meeting time. I have an appointment at 3. Delivery, bringing something to your home. Is my delivery on the way? Connection, signal. The connection is bad. Repeat, say again. Please repeat that. Hold, wait on the phone. Please hold. Return a call. Call back. I'm returning your call. Available. We said it, but repeat is good.
Repetition helps memory.
Exactly. Schedule. Plan time. Can we schedule a meeting? Can we do one longer example, like a full conversation?
Yes, let's do it. Ring ring.
Hello, Alex speaking.
Hi Alex, this is Harry. Are you available tomorrow?
What time?
Around 2 p.m.
Yes, that works for me.
Great. I'll call you then.
Perfect. Talk to you tomorrow. See? Easy.
Dear listeners, if you feel nervous about phone calls, start small. Call a friend who understands you. Order coffee. Call customer service once a week. Practice slowly.
Don't wait to feel ready.
Yes, confidence comes after action, not before.
I think today's biggest lesson is simple English is powerful English.
Yes, short sentences, calm voice, clear message. That's enough. Before we finish, I want you to think. What phone call are you afraid of? Work? Doctor? Restaurant? This week, make one call, just one. Small step.
And if your voice shakes, it's okay.
Yes, Shaking voice is still brave.
I feel proud of our listeners already.
Me too. You are improving every day. If this episode helped you, please like the video
Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
and comment below what phone call is difficult for you.
We read your comments, really.
Yes, we do.
Okay, I think my phone is ringing.
Oh, really?
Unknown number.
Are you going to answer?
Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Hello? Alex speaking.
That's the spirit.
Thank you for listening.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
English is not about perfection.
it's about connection.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.